I wanna say you always going out your way. Cancel all your plans. You wouldn't understand.
Hey guys, welcome back. Oh snap, girl, I ain't did no video in so long. So I haven't recorded a video in a while. I had a few things going on, so sorry. I got a new puppy. So she been taking up all my time and getting on my nerves. So this is my new baby. Say clean. Say hey, mama. Say hey. Say hey. I take all mommy's time. Bye. I just wanted you to say hey. Okay, so today my video, I am going to be filming a wig that I just got. I'm so excited because this wig was always sold out. I could never find it in a regular color because they were always sold out, because that's how good this wig is. And I'm so excited that I finally got it. Like, I didn't even have any money in my bank account, and I saw this wig in stock and I said, look, I'm finna pull from my savings because I have to get this wig before somebody else buy it out. You know what I'm saying? That's how serious this was. Girl, for real. I was like, damn, do I want something to eat or do I want this wig? I said I want the wig. I want the wig. Okay, so this is the wig I got. Now, she looks really good in the front picture. And here's some more pictures on the back from like the side and the back. Damn dog keep trying to take my wig off the counter. Girl, don't do that. Get your A whooped. Anyway, so this look is called Lyna. 1B Lyna. That's what I got. 1B. Like 1B and 1 and 2 were always sold out because this wig looks so good. It's supposedly like your natural hair. That's why I wanted this wig. So this is the wig straight out of the pack. Look at it from the skin. I mean, it's like a really clean cut. Like that's nice. I like that. Really clean cut. It looks like it's all lined up, even, blunt kinda, but it has like a bump. You know, it's not so blunt, but it has like a bump. So that's cute. Okay, so it has lace in the front. This is the part. That part looks really nice. You can pluck it if you want to. I might pluck it later. I don't feel like doing all that. I'm just happy to get the wig. I'm just so happy to get the wig, girl. I'll just put it on like that. I'm gonna put this wig on. I'm gonna take this scarf off and I'm gonna be bald head, but whatever. I'm not bald head. My hair is just laid down and healthy. That's what that is. This wig is kind of tight on my head, and I have a very big head. I mean, but it's good because it's holding on. Not tight, but it's already on this loosest setting, and it's already on the loosest setting, and it's snug. It feels good. Like, this wig is not coming off nowhere. Okay, girl, I got this thing on looking like the baddest door. Looking like the baddest door. So I like this. This looks so sleek. Sleek. I think it's cute, girl. I'm finna wear this to work on Monday. Wear this to work on Monday. Yes. Okay. It has some shake to it, some bounce. Girl, I look like this is mine. You know what I'm saying? Big, wet. Get some shake to it. Yeet. Okay, let me stop being ratchet. Get you a bob that you like, so for your everyday style, and something short, simple, easy to take care of, and you will be Gucci. Or maybe I'm getting too hyped. Maybe it ain't all that, but it's all that to me. Okay, so let me see what it look like behind my ear, you know what I'm saying? Okay, that's cute. I can do this. So something else I just want you guys to know, I forgot to tell you guys in the beginning, I got this wig from SoGoodBB.com. SoGoodBB.com. And they sent me like this whole little package thingy. I mean, it's really cute, just saying some stuff like, you know, comment, like us, subscribe, and let us know, you know, review the wig and everything. Got my invoice. Okay, so this wig again is a Bobbi Boss Lyna MLF126, and the color is 1B. Also, this wig cost me $31.55, and with taxes, it ended up being $36.96. So that's not bad. Not bad. I don't know if you guys are hyped like I was, but I was very, like, I was ecstatic when I got this wig. I knew it. I knew something was about this wig. I knew I was waiting on something good, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so if you like this video, want to see some more videos, like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. Please, thumbs up. But okay, let me stop. Man, I'm hungry. Okay, follow me on Instagram at Queen Gatita. The info will be at the bottom. You can follow me on my Snapchat, Nita La Gatita, and subscribe to my channel. We will see you later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Queen, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Queen. Ah, bye-bye.